everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
How my champions doing? It's been a little minute. Got a lot of things I had to take care of. As you see, we got the new vehicle, right? Got the new thing. Back's completely blocked off, so you ain't seeing none of that. Top secret. That's that G9 classified. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying. We still making it happen. So we're gonna get into it, right? Champions value mindset. I ain't did one of these in a while, and I think we all gotta sharpen our mindsets as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? It's very important to have a sharp mindset. No matter what's going on, you want to have a sharp mindset. You know what I'm saying? And be able to, execute on the things that you're doing with your mindset. You know what I'm saying? So right here, this is Champions Value Mindset, right? This video is going up today. It is Thursday, July 8th. How did everybody's 4th of July go? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Hope everybody had a solid holiday, was productive, figured out ways to invest, things like that. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Champions value mindset. So what we gonna do? Think about what part of the mindset we're gonna get into today. Yeah, I guess we can get into a concept, right? Developing a strong concept. Get this straight as I can get it. That's a little better. Yeah. So now this is why. Let me get into why getting a great concept is so important. You want to be able to do something that you can do long term for years and years. And if you have a weak concept, it's going to be really hard to do that because you won't continue. It won't be good enough for you to continue it as it gets more difficult, or as you get less interested, and as your life evolves. So you got to think about it like this, like, okay, 5 years from now, am I still going to be interested in what I'm talking about? Is it still going to be relevant? So if you need to take a few months to get that concept together, take a few months, get that concept together, and it's going to be well worth it. You know what I'm saying? You got to understand how important having that great concept is, because that's going to carry you through the hard times, and through times you get less interested, or through times that different things aren't working out. You want a concept that you can grow with. You want a concept that it's around something that you love. So building that strong concept is huge. You know what I'm saying? Like, so with me, with the Champions Playbook, I'll tell you guys a little bit how this all came about. I always loved sports, right? Sports was always a big thing to me because it's like, it's very competitive. You got to put a lot of work in. Some of the people I look up to, the LeBrons, the Kobe's, of course, Shaq, MJ, a lot of different athletes. Football, basketball, baseball, hockey, all of them. Olympic sports. And for me, I realized that if you put a good game plan in, you always have a great chance of coming up on top. No matter what you do, you gotta just put a great game plan in, right? say, like making a move, you know, in my community we call it making a play, right? You just, you know, getting up and you know, accomplishing something that's on your mind. That's making a play. So if you got a playbook and it's like, okay, let's say you're a personal trainer and you need to get clients, so that playbook might mean just reaching out to different people you know to just, you know, make sure that they're reaching their fitness goals. If not, then okay, no, they're not. That's where's the next playbook. Well, you could be having a workout section the Saturday coming up, and you just invite those people to work out with you, you know, just to get them introduced to your product. Right, that's one playbook. You know, let's say you're a music artist and you want to reach out to new producers. So a play you could have is like, okay, you know, reach out to the producers you already have. Say, hey, are you guys working with anybody new? Looking for some new beats or whatnot. And there you go. That's a play you can utilize. You know, let them know, like, hey, I'm looking for a new project. I want to work with you, but I also want to work with any of the new producers you work with. And so that's why I believe this concept will carry on with me forever. And that's what I wanted. I wanted a great concept that I can have carry on with me forever, you know, as I look long term. And so, you know, just, you know, think like that. You know, it's big to think like that, you know, real talk. So yeah, just, you know, and I'm going to be getting more into concept, you know, because a lot of different people are starting businesses. A lot of different people I get my business cards to, they're starting businesses, you know, shout them out. Just did a quick trip to Las Vegas, contracted, met some good people, got some good ideas. Somebody got an idea for a soul food restaurant, a few other ideas. You know, people want to open businesses, but that's big, you know, that's powerful. And yeah, so, you know, just gonna expand on that. Just gonna stay on this energy that we own. You know, I want everybody developing their concepts. I want everybody executing on their concepts. I don't want nothing holding you back. You know, like I say, this, y'all know this used to bother me having this back here, but now it's all good. This is a part of my story. And as I look at these videos, as time goes on, I'm gonna remember when you know what time this was. Second half of 2021. You know, because I remember when I switched vehicles. So this is gonna, you know, bring up some memories for me, what was going on in my life around that time, you know, things like that. So you know, yeah, it's all good. Right now we're hopping on this highway though. Got another video coming up, and you know, we gonna stay steady like that. We're gonna stay solid. I want everybody to check out all my links at the bottom. Got the merch store. There's gonna be some updates on there. Stay tuned for that. Right, we still got some great merch, so pick up some. If you believe in yourself, you feel like you're a champion in whatever it is that you do, pick you up some merch for sure. If you don't have your crypto.com account, it's never too late. Go ahead and get in there. Check out all the great things they have going on in there, right? Coinbase, of course, you gotta have your Coinbase account. Tap in. You can tap in there, right? Want to contribute to what we got going? Cash out links down there in the description. Check that out. We're gonna rock out. Sirius XM. You know, we got something solid going on over here. So yeah, stay tuned, stay focused, stay dedicated, stay locked in. We're gonna get moving like that.
life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress, we finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You said you were healing, the ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds, I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all